Just because a property is old or unattractive doesn't mean you need to tear it down. There's a lot you can do. Let me tell you a little bit about our office. Take this room, for instance. It was divided up into small claustrophobic offices. So we added a support beam so we could open it all up. We added natural light, and then we showcased the original rafters with a tongue and groove cedar ceiling. You can transform a property, but you can also expand it. We took advantage of the space the property sat on and added a brand new addition. We didn't want to over-improve the property, so we focused on quality materials rather than name brands. And the biggest bang for our buck was lighting, hardware, and fixtures. We went through the whole place. We even put an Airbnb on the second floor. Seeing the potential in a property is something we pride ourselves on here at Century 21 Ocean. Our team of professional agents and network of contractors can help you answer your questions. Give us a call. We'd love to help you realize your dreams.